You've probably seen ads for no exam life insurance. Sounds simple, right? But here's what they're not telling you. No exam doesn't mean no exam. There are actually three totally different products all hiding under that same name. And the price difference between them is absolutely enormous. Buy the wrong one and you could be paying 3 times more than you need to. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which product actually makes sense for your situation and which ones are priced for people in specific circumstances. First one is Simplified issue. You answer health questions, sometimes pretty detailed ones, but no physical exam, no blood work, nothing like that. The insurance company underwriting you based on what you tell them, plus whatever they can find in pharmacy records or your driving history. You can get up to $500,000 in coverage typically. The catch, it costs 20 to 40% more than traditional underwriting because the carrier is accepting more risk. But the payoff is speed. I see this all the time in my agency. You can get approved in days instead of waiting 4 to 8 weeks. Then there's guaranteed issue. Sounds great until you understand what it actually is. No health questions, no exam. Everybody qualifies if you're between 50 and 80 years old. But the coverage limit is tiny. We're talking $5,000 to $25,000. That's designed for final expenses, funeral costs, small debts, not income replacement, and the cost per dollar of coverage significantly higher than anything else. Why? Because the carrier is accepting literally anybody, including people in really poor health. So their rates have to be conservative to cover that risk. Plus, most guaranteed issue policies have a graded death benefit. If you die in the first 2 to 3 years, your beneficiary doesn't get the full amount. They get the premiums you paid back plus interest. Only after that waiting period does the full death benefit kick in. The third one is accelerated underwriting, and this is what people often actually want when they say no exam. It uses data and algorithms to figure out what an exam would show you without making you take one. The carrier pulls your prescription history, your driving record, medical information, bureau data, all of that. And if you come back clean on all of it, they approve you without an exam. The premium and the coverage you get is identical to what you'd get with a traditional exam if you're healthy. So you're getting the same rate class, same underwriting quality, but without the wait time or the exam hassle. That's the real win here. Here's the mistake I see constantly. People assume all three of these are priced the same and just pick whichever sounds easiest. That's wrong. A client in Minneapolis called me last month wanting guaranteed issue because she heard no questions asked. But once I showed her the cost difference and explained the graded benefit, she realized she actually qualified for simplified issue with better rates and full coverage. She would have thrown away money month after month if she didn't understand the difference. Don't guess on this. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed